Luke 6:39 to 45. Verse 39 to 45. And Jesus offers this example. Can a blind person lead another blind person? Surely both will fall into a ditch. A disciple is not above the master, but when fully trained, he will be like the master. So why do you pay attention to the speck in your brother's eye, while you have a log in your eye and are not conscious of it? How can you say to your neighbor, "Friend, let me take this speck out of your eye," when you cannot remove the log in your own? You hypocrite! First remove the log from your own eye, and then you will see clearly enough to remove the speck from your neighbor's eye. No healthy tree bears bad fruit, no poor tree bears good fruit, and each tree is known by the fruit it bears. You don't gather figs from thorns or grapes from the brambles. Similarly, the good person draws good things from the good stored in his heart, and an evil person draws evil things from the evil stored in his heart. For the mouth speaks from the fullness of the heart. Amen.